Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how to set the routing mode. When you are doing PCB layout and routing, the software uses round mode by default. So what does a round mode mean? It means that when you are drawing a new trace, if it's round into another net, it will stop right there. You can't just pass through, you'll need to manually route around it. But in actual design, we can switch between different routing modes depending on our needs. To do that, first select the routing tool, and then choose the routing mode. There are three common options here. Around mode, default, just like I mentioned, when you hit another trace, it stops and won't go forward. This mode is safer and helps you avoid rule violations right from the start. Push mode, if you switch to this mode, when your new trace runs into another one, the software will automatically push the existing trace aside to make room. This makes routing faster and saves you from manually detouring all the time. Ignore mode. The last one is ignore mode. As the name suggests, it just ignores the around and lets you connect straight through. However, keep in mind that this doesn't follow design rules. It can easily cause short circuit or spacing violations. That's why we usually don't use it in the final design. It's more for the early stage, when you just want to sketch out connections quickly. Later on, you can refine the layout and adjust everything to meet the design rules. To summarize, beginners should stick with round mode. It's safe and reliable. If you want higher efficiency, push mode is very helpful, since the software handles clearance automatically. Ignore mode should only be used temporarily. In the end, you always need to run a design rule check to make sure the PCB can be manufactured properly.